Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the construction of the suites of Terra Nova, or the suites at Terra Nova. Now this is a 14-floor building in the city of Kingston. It's actually a part of the Terra Nova Hotel. Now there you can see the construction site, but it's empty. No work is going on at this site. So guys, if anybody knows what's going on with this project, leave a comment in the section below. Now these are some buildings in the area. The building under construction is the Rogers. Then you have Parkhurst one there on the right, and then that's 20 South straight ahead with the blue trimming. And then to the left of it now is supposed to be the 14th floor suite of Terra Nova. Now, this project started off as a mix between residential units and hotel units. It did very well. All the residential units were sold out. And then they started construction. And then while the construction was going on, it was decided that they're no longer going to be offering the units as residential units, meaning apartments. So they refunded all of the deposits or all the money that was paid by persons who wanted the apartments. And the structure was just going to be a straight hotel. But I'm not sure what's going on because no work has been done on this project in probably at least 6 months. Because if you compare it to the work being done on the Rogers has now reached 20 floors. 20 floors. And this building has not even reached 2 floors. And you can look at it, there's not one construction worker. So I'm not sure what is going on with this project. So if anybody has any update, you can leave a comment in the section below. And it's going to be one of the taller buildings going up at 14 floors. And it's a Chinese contractor, so those guys usually move very fast. So behind the construction site is where you have the actual hotel. It's open, the hotel is open, and they have a casino over there. I think the name is Monte Carlo. And the hotel is up and running. The construction that you're looking at is actually at the back. I'm not sure why they decided to change it from the original plan, which was some of the units were sold as apartments and they were all sold out. And then some of the units, because remember it's 14 floors, some of the units were going to be used as hotel rooms. And people who had purchased or paid down on the apartment units were not pleased. Apparently some people even threatened to file a lawsuit. But in the contract, alright, so we're going to show you the construction site from the road. So we're at the ground level now and we're just showing you what's going on. There's a sign, that's the sign for the Chinese contractor. And then we're going to show you a picture of what the building is going to look like when it's finished. All right, guys. Thanks for taking a tour with us today. And if anybody knows what's going on with this project, why it stopped, and what the plans are, leave a comment in the section below. All right, guys. Have a good day.